I just catch up with one of my clients from Hong Kong, and she's actually doing Herbalife. And I'm sure most of the people know what Herbalife do. And the main product actually is to sell a lose weight programs, which are lose weight products that I have. And what I want to highlight is a lot of people fail to grow their business, especially in this multi-level marketing or direct sales company. Is they always emphasize on products, how good is a product, and so. And some even more ridiculous is to get them uh, just to get them on a business opportunity. You can make a lot of money, and we all know that actually there are a lot of scam out there also, and people are afraid. And we managed to get like 50 over distributors in a few months, and we've done it in Hong Kong, we've done it in Malaysia as well, right? So I have two separate teams. I have two separate teams, and what we find out that how do we manage to get so many distributors in a few months? It's we actually did not sell the product at all. We actually sell a transformations. We help the women, especially moms who have a newborn baby, to lose weight, and we sell the outcomes, right? So that's our audience. So what we did is that we run the entire online marketing process, right? We set up the funnels and the process, and we get them to join a wellness club or a fitness club. And then from the fitness club, because everybody knows that if you really want to lose weight, all right, we need to control two things. One is the diet, and the second thing actually is you need to exercise. So we set up the clubs, and just to help to support each other as a mommy, and that's actually where we get all the people buy into this idea that okay, let's support each other. I also want to lose weight. So from there, what happened is that because we know that we need to control diet, and when you want to control diet, you need some supplements, and perhaps you need to have some replacement meal to make it easier to speed up the process. So that actually, when we create the trust, where we don't sell the Herbalife product first, but we sell at the outcome first, and we treat them as a clients we want to help instead of just treat them as a downline or so. That actually create a trust, and then people are willing to accept that products. Eventually, it's not we want to sell Herbalife at all. Actually, we're actually selling a lifestyles, right? We're selling a lifestyle, and Herbalife or whatever other M&M products or direct super, it's just a byproduct, by the way. From there, actually, we create they buy our products, and then actually they know how good is our product because it's helped them to change their diets and so, right? Then from there, we started to slowly to convert them into a distributors where those mommy they are full-time housewife, and then they need some side income that perhaps they want to join. So this is actually where we convert them from a total strangers. So the business model is like B2C to B, and a lot of people out there are straight away like B2B, and it's so tough to get B2B because when you talk about business to business, and if they don't buy the ideas, if they don't experience how good is the lifestyle change and so on, they won't do it. That's why a lot of people out there are suffering. So there's some example actually.